and welcome to week 3. This is Laurel de Rivera, your instructor. So this week we are going to be taking a look at Chapter 4 in McKernan's Clinical Textbook for Veterinary Technicians. We are going to be focused on occupational health and safety in the workplace this week. So of course, working with animals comes with a lot of risk and things that you need to be aware of once you're out there in the field. So with that, there are a lot of zoonotic diseases or diseases that can be transmitted from animals to humans. So there is some information posted for you to look through on rabies. So there is a link to the CDC or Center for Disease Control. There's also an AVMA link or American Veterinary Medical Association on pre-exposure vaccination recommendations and the importance for the veterinary team. So including yourselves, if you plan on being licensed veterinary technicians, it's going to be very important for you to get vaccinated. So SUNY Delhi, we have a pre-exposure vaccination policy, so please do read through that. Even if you are an online student, you will be required to get the vaccination before you are on your first preceptorship. So please look through that. Come fall, you should be in VETS 198 or preceptorship prep as I call it. I actually teach that course. We will talk more about rabies vaccination and how to get vaccinated and documentation and all of that. Okay, so discussion for this week is on zoonotic diseases. There's a short video. It's only 4 minutes in length, but it kind of gets a lot of information out there. That will be useful to you, and then you'll participate in the discussion response. There is a presentation for Chapter 4, and then you have 2 assignments. So the first assignment is zoonotic disease presentation. There's a little information or introduction on what zoonotic diseases are, why it's important for you to be educated about them and aware of them. And then there is directions for this assignment. So you will choose a zoonotic disease and you will then do a little bit of research and collect this information on it. Feel free to pick a disease from Chapter 4 and or just do a little Google search or go on the CDC website and get creative. So all of you have probably different animals that you intend on working with, some small animals, some wildlife, some large animal. So pick something that interests you, okay? And as an example here, if I were to do the first slide, I would put my name, I would put the disease I chose, and then I would just start organizing information under here based off of slide 4. And you can feel free to add pictures, graphs, whatever it is that is going to kind of sell your disease or get the information across. Okay, so by the end of this, each student will have their own slide. If you need 2 slides, that's fine. But every student should have a slide with their name on it and their disease and information to go along with it. All right. The other assignment, you'll see there is a Word document here, so you will need to download that to your computer, save it somewhere where you know you can access it. Fill it out, so it basically just follows along Chapter 4. It helps you kind of pull information out. I am not going to be scrutinizing over your answers, but I will be looking to make sure that you have put some effort into it. So really this is to help you. Some of this information can be a little bit dense, and this is to help you kind of pull out some of the more important points. And then you will submit that as an assignment for a grade. So both of these will be graded assignments. Study resources, as always, there is a Quizlet for you to go through. And then there is a quiz. So the quiz should be 9 questions. You have 1 attempt, but there is no time limit on it. So this is to encourage you to get into your book, look up information if you need to. Some of the answers, you might just know already. Okay? Have a great week and email me if you have questions.